Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create book covers. So for this, I am here on canva.com and you need to search for books here and you will get different searches here. So click on book cover. As you click, you will get different templates. So from here, you can choose any book cover that attracts you and from there, you can customize each and every part of that cover. So for an example, I will go with this one here. Click on it and now click on customize this template. So a new tab will open and from here you can edit your book cover. It may take few seconds. Okay, so now on the top we have the writer name. So from here you can add the writer name. Then we have the book name. So I'm just adding my channel name here. So you can add your book name here and then adjust the size like this and adjust it in the middle. After that you can write anything like this here and your book cover is ready. Now you need to download this image. So once the image is downloaded, open a new tab and search for canva.com. Now here in the left side we have this apps option. Click on it and there you need to scroll all the way down to the end and there we have this mockups option. Click on mockups. It will take few seconds to open the tab and there you will get different options of mockups. So as we created book cover, so we will go in prints and choose books here. As you can see, we have many more options, but for now we will go with books here. Click on books and you will get different templates. Choose a templates that suits with your book cover. Okay, so here I choose this template. Click on select and now click on upload. So I already upload the image here. Choose the image and it will take few seconds, and as you can see the book cover is here on the mockup. So in this way you can create book covers on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.